Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you a brand new tool called URLFam. And this one is actually super powerful if you're promoting products, services, or you're simply trying to convert more of your social media traffic. So, what is URLFam? It's basically a mobile-first smart funnel builder that lets you turn one single link into a full interactive experience. You can create mini landing pages, collect leads, sell digital or physical products, book appointments, and even track engagements, all inside one link. One of the things I like most is how simple the builder is. You can drag, drop, customize, and it automatically formats everything for mobile, so your visitors get a clean, high-converting experience. Plus, it has built-in checkout, which means you don't need Shopify, ClickFunnels, or any external tools to start selling. It's all inside that one link. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a full live demo, show you the complete funnel, and I'll also show you the exclusive bonuses you'll get if you decide to pick up URLFam through my link below. Alright, let's jump straight into the demo so you can see how this works in real time. Here's a quick overview, and then I'll go into more detail. From your dashboard, you can create new links, view existing ones, and track everything, from visitors and clicks to leads, purchases, and bookings. You'll also see your top 5 links, along with detailed stats and filters to analyze your performance over time. Next, let's check the My Links section. Here, you can see all your created links, view the number of visitors and clicks, and easily activate, edit, or delete any of them. Need a new one? Just click Create Link to start from scratch. Now let's look at the templates. URLFam offers over 80 pre-designed templates, so you can quickly build beautiful, mobile-ready pages for any niche. You can preview a template first, then select it to customize your own link page. Moving on to the data section, this is where all your captured information lives, whether it's leads from opt-in forms, registrations, donations, purchases, or bookings. Each data type is neatly organized so it's easy to find what you need. Next up, the features section. Here you can add and manage your products. Just click Add New, fill in the product details, and it's ready to go live. You'll also find the appointments feature. With this, you can create booking options for your visitors, perfect for consultations or service calls. Just add your details and let users book directly from your link page. Finally, we have integrations. This is where you connect your payment gateways. You can easily link your PayPal or Stripe accounts so you can accept payments directly through your links. Once your accounts are connected, you're ready to start selling and collecting payments seamlessly. Let's create a link. On your dashboard, click the Create Link button. You'll be redirected to the Templates section. Here, you can either build your link from scratch or choose from one of the 81 ready-made templates based on your niche. You can preview any template before selecting it, then pick the one that best suits your needs. Now, let's create a link from scratch. Enter a name for your link and click Continue. Your unique URL will be generated automatically. Once it's published, you'll need to add at least one element. By default, a profile element is added automatically. You can control the status of this element, activate or deactivate it, using the toggle icon. You can also add a timer, customize its settings, clone, or delete it. Before adding more elements, let's check out the settings section. Here, under Appearance Settings, you can adjust the primary and secondary colors, change the background style, or add a gradient. You can fine-tune the gradient's position, add new colors, or remove any you don't want. Next, go to the payment settings. If your link includes payment-related elements such as donations, product sales, subscriptions, or opt-in forms, you'll need to connect a payment method. Choose PayPal or Stripe here, whichever you prefer for receiving payments from your users. The next tab is SMTP Settings. If you haven't set this up, no worries. URLFam will automatically send emails from its own server. Now let's explore the Pages section. By default, you'll have a home page, but you can add more pages using the plus icon. Give your page a title, add header and footer scripts if needed, include a short description, and click Create. Your new page, such as About Us, will appear right away. You can edit or delete any page at any time. Next, let's customize the profile element. You can rename it, upload a profile image from your computer, crop it, and see the update instantly. Add a tagline, adjust font style and size, and format your text easily using the editor tools. In custom settings, you can modify the profile style, borders, font family, weight and size, and even add animation effects. Just enable the animation option and select from multiple styles. Choose the one you like best, then click Update. Every element also includes a locker option. Activating this allows you to restrict access using a password, opt-in form, or custom condition. For now, we'll leave it inactive and click Update. To add more content, click Add New Element. For example, choose a heading, edit its text, and customize its color, background, font, or animation. Then click Update. URLFam provides 21 element types you can mix and match: headings, paragraphs, images, videos, buttons, forms, social links, and more. You can also create a block section to group multiple elements together. Add a title, then insert elements like an image, paragraph, or social media icons into the same block. Once done, click Update. Now let's view the link we've created. Click Copy, open it in your browser, and here it is. You can see the profile section, heading, image block, paragraph, and social icons. Back on the dashboard, open the My Links section. Here, you can view your created links, check visitor, and click statistics, toggle status on or off, edit links, or delete them when needed. And that's how you create a custom link with URLFam. Let's see how to add a locker to the elements in your link. Let's get started. Go to My Links, select your link, and choose the element where you want to add the locker. For example, let's take this heading. Click on Custom Settings, then choose the locker option and activate it. There are 3 unlock types available. Password unlock. Simply set a password, click Save, then Update. Now, when you visit your link, you'll see the locker badge on that element. Enter the password and click Submit. The section unlocks in just a few seconds. Opt-in form unlock. Select the element, activate the locker, and choose opt-in form as the unlock type. Select your required fields such as name and WhatsApp and connect your autoresponder, for example MailChimp. Enter a short description, then click Save and Update. Now, when a visitor fills out the form and clicks Unlock, the element will be revealed and their data will appear in the data section of your dashboard. +18 restriction unlock. Activate the locker and select 18+ restriction. Add a short description, click Save and then Update. When a visitor clicks Unlock, they'll be asked to enter their date of birth. If they are under 18, access is denied. If 18 or older, the content unlocks successfully. Let's see how to add and manage products inside your link. Click on Product, then click on Add New to create a new product. Enter the product name, then click Add. Now fill in all the details. Enter the product price and upload the product file. If you already have a file URL, you can paste it here instead. You can also add a product video or upload a product image directly from your device. Add a short product description like this. Once you've entered all the details, click Next. Remember, the product file is required. Now let's upload the file. File uploaded successfully. Click Next again. Here, you'll see the input field section. You can add new fields such as phone number, country, or any custom field. You can also customize the header description, change the color style, and set your button color, just like this. Click Next to continue. This is the thank you page section. You can write your own thank you message and edit it as needed. Select a thank you page layout. I'll go with this one. Then click Next. Here is the email receipt. This is the message your customer will receive after purchasing the product. You can edit this email text as well. Finally, click on Publish. Your product has now been added successfully. Now let's add this product to your link. Go to My Links, select the link where you want to display the product and click Edit. Then click on Add New Element and choose Product. Here you'll see the product element options. You can toggle the status active or inactive, set a timer, make custom settings, clone or delete it. Now select the product you just created. You can change the button text like this. Before publishing, make sure your payment methods are connected. Go to Link Settings, Payment, and choose your payment methods, PayPal or Stripe. Once done, return to your product section. In Custom Settings, you can change the heading color, font size, font weight, and font family. You can also customize the text color, button color, corner radius, background style, and even add animations. When you're finished, click Update. It's updated successfully. Now copy your link URL, open it in your browser, and check your product. Here's the product we've just added. Let's try buying it as a user. Click on Buy Now. It will redirect you to the checkout screen. Enter your name and email, then choose your payment method, PayPal or Stripe. Let's go with Stripe. Enter your email, card number, expiry date, CVV, cardholder name, and country. Click Pay. Payment is now processing, and here you can see the product has been purchased successfully. Your user can download the product file directly from here. Now, let's see how you can view the buyer details from your dashboard. Go to Dashboard, Purchase Data. Here, you'll find all the buyer information, including the invoice, which you can view or download. You can also export your purchase data or filter it by specific links. Last feature I want to show you is the appointments. Go to the Features option and select Appointments. Before adding an appointment element to your link, we first need to create the appointment itself. Enter your appointment title, business name and phone number. Add a short description and your business address. Once done, click Next. This will take you to step 2. Here, you'll set up your appointment availability according to your business hours in 24-hour format. Select the days, start date and end date. Now choose your start time, finish time, and break time. For example, I'll select a break starting at 2 p.m, so this will be your break period, and the appointment will only be available during the remaining time. You can also select multiple days as needed. Next, choose your time slot duration in minutes, then click Next. Now, let's move to business holidays. Select the dates you want to mark as holidays, then click Next. In the Form field section, you can decide what information you want to collect from your users when they book. I'll go with name and email for now, but you can also add other fields such as radio buttons, checkboxes, number, text area, URL, or date fields. Click Next. Now choose the payment type. If the appointment is paid, enter the price. If it's free, just select the free option. You can also choose Auto Approve if you want bookings to be confirmed automatically. If you leave it unchecked, you'll need to approve each booking manually from the data section. I'll enable Auto Approve, then click Next. In step 3, you'll set up your confirmation message and thank you message for after the booking. Click Publish. Your appointment has now been published successfully. You can make this appointment active or inactive, edit or delete it anytime. You can also create a new appointment directly from here. Now let's add the appointment element to your link. Go to My Links, select the link where you want to add it, and click Edit. Then click Add New Element and select Appointment. You'll see the appointment element appear on your page. Before customizing it, make sure your payment settings are already configured. Go to Settings, then Payment. Here, you can connect PayPal or Stripe. I'll add both in this example. You can also change the button text, description, heading size, font style, and more. You can set the status to active or inactive, add a timer, change the text color, background color, and corner radius, and even apply animations. To add animation, simply activate it and select your preferred style. You can also add a locker, which can be password protected or require an opt-in form before access. Once done, click Save, then Update. Your appointment has been updated successfully. Now let's check it on the live site. Copy your site URL and open it. Here's the appointment section we just added. Click on Book Appointment. Enter your details and email address. Your email will need to be verified via OTP. The OTP will be sent to the email address entered by the user. Enter the OTP here and click Submit. The email is now verified. Click Continue, select your preferred date, and choose a time slot. Then click Book Appointment. Your appointment has been booked successfully. You can now return to your site. Let's check the dashboard to view the booking details. Go to Dashboard arrow Booking Data. Here, you'll see the appointment data entered during booking. Since we enabled Auto Approve, this booking is automatically approved. You can view the details, cancel the appointment, or export the booking data. You can also search for a specific appointment or filter data by link. So I've just given you an overview of the potential of URLFam. At the very end, I'll also include the vendor's demo for you to watch. Now let's jump into the funnel overview. The front-end offer is the URLFam Founders Edition. This is the main software that lets you build mobile-optimized funnels and link hubs. You can create landing pages, collect leads, sell products, and even book appointments, all from one dashboard. It also includes forms, videos, social buttons, and checkout pages, so you don't need extra tools. There is also an optional order bump that gives you unlimited link generation, which is great if you run multiple brands or client projects. Next, OTO1 is the URLFam Luxury Edition. This unlocks conversion boosters like countdown timers, social proof pop-ups, and multi-platform buy buttons. Basically, it helps you increase urgency and trust to improve sales. OTO2 is the AI Automation and Agent Suite. This gives you access to the AI agent Neo, which helps you write copy, choose layouts, generate images, and optimize your funnels automatically. Then we have OTO3, the VIP training series. This is an 8-part live training experience that shows you how to monetize with funnels in affiliate marketing, e-commerce, local business, and more. OTO4 is the VIP template suite and membership builder. This gives you 50+ premium funnel templates, monthly new templates, plus the ability to build courses and memberships with push notifications built in. And finally, OTO5 is the My Brand Reseller license, which lets you remove URLFam branding and rebrand the software as your own, meaning you can sell access to clients or create your own software business. If you're about to grab URLFam, stop for just a second, because the bonus stack I'm giving you doesn't just add to URLFam, it transforms it from a simple smart link into a full AI-powered business ecosystem. Bonus 1. The Agentic AI Business Automation Platform. Automate follow-ups, support, and even sales. Deploy smart AI agents that reply to leads, nurture prospects, close deals, and manage support across your URLFam pages, funnels, and social channels. There are over 1,000 ready-to-launch workflows in 50+ languages, and you can even sell these automations as a service for extra income. Bonus 2. The Faceless YouTube Channel Creator. Want traffic? This creates viral faceless videos automatically. Script, voiceover, avatar, thumbnail, SEO, everything done. Send all that traffic straight into your URLFam link without ever showing your face. Bonus 3. The 3D Avatar Creation Platform. Create premium promo videos, spokesperson avatars, and branded storytellers for your funnels and offers. Full commercial rights included, meaning you can sell the videos or offer them to clients. Bonus 4. The 8K AI Movie Creator. Generate cinematic ads and emotional product promos without cameras or actors. Perfect for high-impact storytelling that grabs attention and converts instantly. Bonus 5. The AI Visual Creation Suite. Produce product images, animations, 3D graphics, and branding visuals. All studio quality. And yes, commercial rights are included here too. Bonus 6. Unlimited AI hosting powered by NVIDIA GPUs. Host your URLFam pages, apps, and automations with ultra-fast performance, or resell hosting for recurring income. Ideal if you're managing multiple funnels or client projects. Bonus 7. The Advanced AI App Collection. You'll have every tool you need to create unlimited videos, voiceovers, avatars, motion graphics, and content, so your URLFam funnels stay fresh, relevant, and converting long-term. And that's not all, because on top of those 7 premium bonuses, you're also getting my exclusive bonus suite. This includes extra AI tools, funnel and website builders, content production tools, autoresponders, video creators, graphic design tools, 20+ AI assistants, SEO boosters, social media traffic automation, secure cloud storage, ebook and podcast creation tools, ready to deploy AI coaches, and QR code generators. In other words, Everything you need to expand your URLFam strategy, attract more traffic, convert more leads, and scale faster without paying for dozens of monthly tools. And it doesn't stop there. You'll also receive the official vendor bonuses, including trainings and resources provided by the URLFam team themselves. So you know exactly how to get the most out of the platform. When you put all of this together, this bonus package is worth way more than the price of URLFam, easily multiple times more. But today, it's 100% free when you grab URLFam through the link below. Click the link in the description now to lock in all the bonuses before they're gone. Now, let's dive into everything you're getting. Click the link in the description box for all the bonus details. Here's a preview for you. Alright, that wraps up my URLFam review. What really stands out to me is how the whole platform is built mobile first and optimized for conversions. But the feature that impressed me the most is the built-in checkout system, because normally, to sell anything online, you'd need multiple tools: a landing page builder, a checkout platform, a payment processor, and a bunch of integrations. With URLFam, all of that happens inside a single link. That makes the entire process simpler, faster, and way more beginner-friendly. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future reviews. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And of course, if you want to grab URLFam and unlock all the bonuses I mentioned, just click the link in the description. Everything you need is right there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Alright, what's up everyone, it's Luke here. Now, when you first get access and inside to URLFam, you will be presented with a page similar to this. This is your home, this is your hub, this is where you will come to see everything new that's happening. On the right hand side under updates, you'll be able to track some live stats with what's happening across the links that you've built and put out across the internet, and you can find all the different training and different other cool new things we've got added. You'll find any brand new templates that we've got that we're adding all the time, especially if you're inside of the template suite bundle. Again, we have so many that are professionally made that are in there for so many different niches, and down below you'll find some of your top performing links. Here's one the other day that I created for me, and it's already got hundreds and hundreds of people coming through on it, so that's pretty cool. Now, when you're going to create your first link, this is what I'm going to just share with you here today on this quick example demo video. There's two ways we can go about it. We can either go and choose from a template, or we can start from scratch. Now, to give you a little overview on the other areas under features, here is where we have some of our other tools that we include inside of URLFam, like the ability to create live invoices, to create your own products inside, so you can add them onto your URLFam individual page, so someone can buy, check out directly on that one link, and they will be sent emails with their login details or the product itself, intangible product or anything like that. Appointments, because again, we have live booking generators inside, so people can book appointments. We can also sync it across with our Gmail or our Google Calendar, push notifications, and down below we have analytics, which is where all the information you're going to get for any opt-ins. So if anyone opts in on your page, this is where they'll go. Anyone that's answered a form or a questionnaire, survey, this is where they'll go. Anyone donates directly to you, you'll be able to see here. Anyone buys anything, all this type of information is all going to be included under analytics. So to get started though with our links, we either go to templates, and again, you'll see there's so many templates for all different niches, from actual businesses. So you can see from like food to actual mechanics, and you can, if I scroll down, you'll see lots and lots and lots of different niches, and then we'll get into some actual personal profile ones to be used in bio links and whatnot. Now, these are just different, I guess, inspirational ideas. You can use any of these, take any photo out, add any other element in, but for today's example, I'm just going to start from scratch. So if I go up to my links, I can click create link and then create from scratch, and then it will go ahead and ask me to create a name and what I want the link to be. Now this is going to be where you'll find this link in future. So think of it, if it's urlfam.com/ if I wanted Luke McGuire for my Instagram, that's what I would type there. If I wanted it to be for my store, I could change it to be something else. And again, you can play around with those and change those as well. So I've created a blank one here. Now, this is where things get fun. Blank template on the right hand side. I can add a new element. I believe by default the header is already going to be there, sorry, I meant profile is going to be there, and we can change this otherwise right out the gate if I wanted to, by changing the image here. If I wanted it to be myself, I could click that and I could upload my own image. But the idea of this is going to be just so you can see how this page builder works. Welcome. Now, where it says add new element, I can start to add any of these elements directly onto my URLFam profile page itself here. And again, the big difference between this tool and any other tool I've ever seen out there is that we've built so many all-in-one type solution features here. Like if I wanted the ability to put it, say, make it like a sales page, I could do a headline. Then I might do a paragraph, and then I might want to do a sales video maybe, or I might even want to do an let's just say I did a sales video. We'll put a sales video there. Let me just pause it. I'll grab a random YouTube video of mine. Alright, so I've added that in down here, and now I might want to add in a button, for example. Or say I was even just trying to build an email list, and I wanted to give a free opt-in. I wanted to give someone let's say I wanted to upload a file of top 10 tips to making your websites faster or something. I could upload it here, and I can say download top 10 tips here. Final description, I could say this is the to get my free 10 simple steps to making your website faster. You need to act now though, as it's only for 100 users. Now, I obviously can send to this text, bold it, do whatever else I want to do with it. And now when it comes to the button though, what I can decide to do, I can either lock that actual button with this option here called the locker. By hitting the locker active, this is then going to allow me to have a password protected. I can use an opt-in form to get the user's email, and then once that happens, it'll unlock the button for them to download it, or I can even have them use the 18 plus restriction if I want them to verify their age. But let's say I went for the opt-in here. I can either have it go to any autoresponder that we integrate with. I'm set up with the GetResponse currently, but we have over 10 different ones that we've integrated with so far. But if I select nothing, it doesn't matter. What I can do here, I can say, I can leave it as nothing, and I can hit save. And what will happen is, now when anyone comes here to opt in or to actually download this, they'll be presented with a opt-in button first. So they'll have to opt in, and then that lead will be sent. Remember at the start I said underneath the analytics, under leads, it will instantly be captured here. It'll tell you the name, the subscriber, and what actual link did they subscribe on, and where from. Was it from an opt-in element? Was it from a content locker button, like we just did now? You get the idea, right? Now, in terms of designing and everything like that, we can change the backgrounds and we can change all the colors to everything, right? Like I don't like this primary color. I'm going to change that just to black just for now, right? And I might want to change, let's say I want to change the background completely. Let's go to an image. We can go ahead and select let's type in modern minimalist background. Totally botched how to spell that. But let's see if I did something like this, what would happen? Right, so then you have to play around with different font colors and whatnot, but I'm sure I can get it to work quite easily. Oh, that's the wrong area there. But if I went back to settings, and we can play around with this till we get this the way we want it. And then each element, we can actually then edit the text colors directly in there. So going back over into our page here, whoopsies, I can then add in some new elements here. So say I wanted to continue this on, and I wanted to add in a countdown timer next to this countdown timer. I wanted this to expire in 5 days from now. I can do that right away, and that'll pop that right in there for me, and we'll have it start today. And now, because I changed the background color, we might want to just edit this out. So we'll go to the style. Let's change the background, make it transparent, so that now looks nice over the top there. Maybe I want to make the color, but do I want it to pop a bit more? Do I want it to be a standout color maybe? And you just have to play around with things until you find the colors that work best. Now that purple's obviously working nicely with the rest of our page, so we could do something like that. We've also got the ability to use this little dropper, and then we can even just select other areas of the page that work perfectly to get the exact same effect going there. So neat tool. Now, if I wanted to rearrange any of this, it's as simple as grabbing it and dragging things around till it makes sense of where you want the different areas to be, and it's really the most simple way to create very quick to complete finish done for you pages super fast. Now, in terms of monetization, we can obviously add in appointments. We can charge for these appointments as well. So if they're going to book an appointment, let me just change this background color. It's not the ideal one for what we're trying to do here. So let's just go back to the original example here. But we can change this up a little bit here to see what example, and see, pull these around the different ways, see. Okay. So let's even make this a bit wider. There you go. Now back over to the homepage. If I wanted to add in some other features too, like say I've got a webinar coming up, right? Webinar registration, chuck that straight in there. We can then link this directly with our, let's say I've got a GoToWebinar coming up. We're going to go ahead, it's going to go ahead and pull any webinars that I've got coming up. Right now it says I don't have any, so I need to set one up inside of my GoToWebinar for that to work and become seamless there. And again, with anything like this though, you can also have, once I've opted in, they can either go to an external link. We can also create internal pages / membership areas as well inside of URLFam. But if I clicked out of this, and we might want to add in, say, let's say a WhatsApp chat, right? I could say, then I forgot to add in a body text here. So say I wanted to do a text, I could say, got any questions? Make sure to reach out directly to me on WhatsApp. Right now, bold this. You can even change the colors of this here, or change the background colors, I should say, and the foreground. And I might move this directly above the WhatsApp button. And you can start to see how you would continue to fill this out and create your individual pages, right? So this is where we can also add in forms, where you can ask different questions, and you can find out as much information about anything that you are wanting. It's essentially a survey or a form, and we've got a few different variations and designs that we've got coming for this. Right now it's just this one, but in the coming week you should be able to see that there is the ability to just show one question per page, right? And then 2 questions per page, or if you want to have the entire form / questionnaire on the single page. Other features that we've got inside of here, you can also use this left breakdown column as well. So the ability to create your own QR codes to link to any site whatsoever. You can chuck in, say, our Instagram feed maybe, and it's going to then allow me to share my Instagram, and I can share this in as many different ways that I want. So I can say 3 columns, I can say 2 columns, and so you can see they'll put it underneath each other. But so we'll just go horizontal. We can even do a grid view if I wanted to. Well, let's just do horizontal for now, and you'll see it'll scroll through left to right. I can then do the same with say my YouTube channel, any other integrations that we've got in here as well. And I can share other just feeds just to build my audience directly from this individual feed itself. And all I need to do is enter my details here. So Luke Maguire, it's my Instagram. Facebook is / Luke Maguire 89. And we've got all these different icon packs that you can choose from. And we're going to be adding more, and you'll be able to add your own as well. So again, super seamless and a great way just to build your own page out. We've got the ability to accept money through donations, just so if people want to support their favorite influencer and whatnot. You can buy and sell products. We've got the brand promotion, which we'll talk about later on inside, but we've also got then the ability just to add buy buttons in to link wherever you want them to link, whether it's to an internal page that might deliver an actual product or an offering, or whether it might be to an external site. You can choose. A few other random bits and pieces throughout here that we're adding in all the time, like say a greeting will be a greeting card at the very we've got it down the bottom here, but this is just a nice little button break. I like to often put these at the very, very top as like the core link that people will see before everything else, right? You can change this to say whatever you want it to say. And over here is where you would add in your internal pages if you want to create membership areas or like one-time offer links that people have to opt into to get access to that page, where you've then put a digital download or something like that there as well. So that's just a couple of things we can do here in a 15-minute demo. I'm not going to go too much further into it here, but let me just show you some other examples that we've done recently. Here was one for my personal brand, and we were scheduling appointments, we were getting webinar opt-ins. Here's what I did for webinar replays, and I just run with the default theme a lot of the time. Here was what was a dog product selling one that would play viral dog videos every single day, would upload new ones every day, and we had a countdown timer that would go for every single time the new dog video would come. Free PDF on how to teach a dog to stop barking in 24 hours. Was absolutely dominating it, and it just, again, it's simple, it's clean. People want, when you're on your mobile, massive text-filled pages don't work, right? So that's the beauty of having a tool like this. You can create things super simply, and by doing something different where people can check out and make purchase decisions or opt-ins directly in that in the one link, it just saves so much time for the user, and it works in line with what the user's doing, right? If you're on social media, for example, you click on a bio link, you don't really want to be going to 10 links deep to then have to click all the way back to get back to the social media. You want to click on it, get what you want, and get out. And look at this, for example. This might be this is for a mechanic, and they can see the services, they'll pop up here for them, and then they can actually opt in and book their service directly from the page here. Now, one thing I did not share earlier, but I should have, but I'll share it now, is this is not just built for the desktop. We built this specifically for the mobile. So here, this is the same thing. We're on the home page right now of URLFam, right? If I wanted to go and I wanted to see what I've got coming up, let's go ahead and view my links. This is the most recent one we were just working on then. And you can see this is what it would look like directly on my phone, right? Now, in terms of editing it as a software, so I might want to add in a new element down the very bottom underneath my Instagram feed and whatnot. I would click Add Element. I could then go through all of these and say I wanted to add in an audio player. Boom, done. Now I can add in an audio. I can add in something from Spotify, from SoundCloud, right? I would just chuck in the embed code there. Simple and done. And you can see that's how simple it is. Now, you might say, what's the ad block? What the ad block does, it basically means I can make an entire section. I might call this footer. Now, in this footer section, I can add in multiple elements into that one footer. And then, so let me just do that now. Headline, I can go image, paragraph, and then link, right? Now that's all in this one footer here. Now I can move this entire footer up or down. Because it's a footer, I'd move it down. And because I'm on my phone though, it's a bit hard. Sorry, I'm on my computer trying to work this mobile. It's a bit harder to do. But let me go ahead and publish this. My mistake. Let me get out here real quick. There we are. Cool, that's all looking good. All looking good. Great. And hopefully that should be appearing on here as well. Yeah, the header text, that's what we were just created just then in the footer. And now if I look over here on the computer, actually, let's have a look real quick. Done. the audio player, and then the footer down below, and that expands into those drop downs here that we just had now. So that's included there as well. All right. So there's a bunch of things I haven't shown here today, go high level integration with all the different autoresponders, the different flows and internal membership site creations we can create, linking multiple offers, creating your products inside of URLFam, our invoicing section, so you can actually invoice for anything with buy buttons directly inside of the invoice, that you can even add onto your URLFam pages as well if people want to buy something directly and be invoiced instantly done. And our influencer side of things, even our promoter hub, where it'll build you your own basically like promotional card to get influencers to want to or to get brands to want to work with you. And there's a lot of things that are still in here to be shared, but I want you to get started with creating your own first link. Remember, this keeps users on your page. It increases your conversions dramatically, and it's not sending people just to another link. Remember, Linktree, which is what everyone seems to use, it literally gets people from an Instagram feed and then sends them, or a TikTok feed or a Facebook feed or anywhere on mobile, and sends them to other websites that were made for people viewing on the desktop, right? Now, we want to stop that. We want to keep the user in a place that you can control, where you can not only just get an email opt-in, but you might get a review and you might get a purchase made on the exact same visit, because it's that quick to do.
Hello everyone, welcome to URLFam. In this video we will check how we can use the tool URLFam to create your personalized link. You can add multiple elements at the same link. So let's start with login. Enter your login credentials here. I'm entering my details. Click on sign in. It will redirect you to the dashboard screen. So this is the dashboard of URLFam. You will get multiple options here. You can create new link through this create link option. You can view your created link here. You will get the notifications about the URLFam here. You will get all the updates here. You can check the total created link at this option. You will get the total visitors here. You will get total clicks on your site, total leads which you have received, you will get here. You will get the total purchase details here. You will get total donors here, the total number of bookings you will get here, total number of submission of your forms you will get here. You will get the top 5 links at this section. You can filter the links by the range through this available filter here. Let's check another options. This is my link option. You will get the created link here. You can check the visitors at this section. Here you will get the number of clicks. You can make the status active or inactive through this option. You can edit the link through this, and you can delete the link. You can create new link through this create link option. Let's check another option is templates. We provide 81 templates to create your own personalized link, so you can use this template according to your required niche. You can preview the templates through this option, and you can select it to create your own link through this template. You can select this option. Let's check another option is data. All the data which you will get from your link, you will get all the data here. If you edit any opt-in form, so you will get the leads data here. If you have added any registration form or any kind of form, so you will get the data here. If you have added donation element, so you will get the donation data here. If you have added the product purchase element at your link, so you will get purchase data here. If you have added any appointment data, so you will get all the booking data here. If you have added any webinar, so you will get the webinar data here. Let's check another option is features. This option provides you option to create the products at this section. You can add new product through this. You can get all the details of your created product here. You just need to click on add new, enter the details of your product. Another option is appointment. So you can create the appointment at this section. Need to click on create appointment, enter all the details and create appointment. So your user or visitor can book their appointment. Another option is integration. You can integrate the payment method through this payment method option. You can add your PayPal account to get payment from your users, and you can add the Stripe account as well. This will enable to sell product and purchases different payment via PayPal and Stripe, so you can get payment through your users when you have added your PayPal or Stripe account. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial videos of URLFam. In this video we will check how we can add our PayPal account with the link. For that you need to integrate your PayPal account at the integration section. Click on payment method, choose any of the payment section. You can add any PayPal account with this payment method, or if you have any Stripe account, so you can add Stripe account as well. I am adding my PayPal account, so click on this add PayPal option, enter the name of your account, enter the email which is connected with this account. So I am entering my detail, click on add. So the PayPal account has been added successfully with this payment method. Let me show you how you can add your Stripe account. You can add Stripe account as well. Just click on add Stripe enter the name, the pass key, and enter the Stripe secret key. Paste the secret key here and click on add. Your Stripe account will be added successfully with the integration. Like this, you can integrate your payment method. Go to my links, select the link, make sure you have added the payment setting before adding any element related to the payment, like product, appointment, donation. Before adding these elements, make sure you add this payment setting at the particular link. So go to setting, go payment, select the particular PayPal or Stripe account which you have added with your integration section. After that, you can proceed with other process. At this setting area of the particular link, you need to set up this appearance, the payment setting, and the SMTP setting. You need to enter your SMTP details here for the mailing purpose. If you don't add any SMTP, till then URLFam will send the emails to your users. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial videos of URLFam. In this video, we will check how we can add the QR code with the link. So select the link where you wanted to add the QR code, click add it, add element. It is the QR code option, so click on this. You will get this element here. Just need to add the website URL. After entering the URL, it will automatically generate the QR code. Here you can see the QR code. You can make the status active and active. You can add timer. You can make custom setting. You can add animation. I'm adding this one. Or you can add locker as well here. Let me show you how you can add timer as well. Click on this timer, select the time, enter the duration to display element. After the allotted time is completed, it will automatically disappear and the status will change to inactive. So I am entering this date and time and click on update. So this is how you can add the timer, and you can see the QR code has been generated here. Click on update. After update, let's check your site for the QR code. So this is the site, just reload it, where we have added the QR code. Here you can see the QR code is appears here. If your user will scan this, so they will redirect to the link which we have added. So this is how you can add QR code to your link. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to URLFam. In this video, we will check how we can add the social media and messenger with the link. Go to my link, select the link where you wanted to add social media accounts. Click on add element, select the social media. Here you will get the social media element is added here. Now you need to enter your username here. Select the social icons. So like this, you can add your multiple social media account with the URL. You can active this through this icon so it will read and you can make the status active. So after adding the username, the icons of social media will reflect at the site. So you can make more custom setting through this option. You can select the style. Here you can see this is the second style of showing the social icons. Currently I'm going with this one. You can add border color, background color. You can change the background color or you can make it transparent through this. Currently I'm going with this one. Like this. You can add border color, border radius. You can add animation style like this. You can add timer. You can make a clone and you can delete it. You can make the status active or inactive through this option for the particular element. You can add locker as well. You need to active the locker. Select the unlock type and click on save. Currently, I am not going to activate this locker. After all these settings, click on update. So let's check how this social icons will looking like at your site. So go to your site. So this is the site where we have added the social icons. You can see the social icons here. After selecting any of the social icon, your user will be connect you through these social accounts. Let's go to the dashboard again. Now we will add the messenger. So go to this option, add new element. Select the messengers. Here you can see the messenger account will appear here. You need to enter the details so you will be able to connect your different messenger accounts. You can make the custom settings. So go to settings. You can select the style from the available 4 styles. You can select this is first style, second, third, and this is the fourth style. So I'm going with this one. You can change icon colors. You need to activate this. Currently I'm not activate. You can change the background color. icon background color, secondary color, text color, text size, font weight, font size. You can add animation style. After all this setting, you can add locker as well. You can add timer. You can create clone. You can delete it. After all this setting, need to click on update. Now we will check how this is looking in our site. So go to your site. So this is your site. You can see the messengers are added here, which we have connected from the add element section. So you can get it from here. Now your user will connect through the messengers as well. So this is how you can connect your social media accounts and messengers at your link. Check our further videos for further details. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to URLFam. In this video, we will check how we can integrate the webinar with the URLFam. So go to the integration section, click on this webinar. Here you will get the go to webinar option. It is easily schedule, manage, and you can join webinar directly from our platform. So your virtual events just got easier. To connect the go to webinar, click on this connect option. It will redirect you to this screen. Enter your registered email with the go to webinar. I'm entering my details and click on next. Need to enter the password here. Click on sign in. Here you can see the account has been activated and connected with your webinar section. After adding the go to webinar, your account will be appear here and the active tag is appear at this section. You can disconnect this account through this and reconnect through this. So let me show you how you can add the webinar feature at your mailing section. Select any link, click on add new element, webinar registration. Here you will get this section will be added. You can add the button text like this. You can add a thank you message through pop-up page or any external link. I'm going with this pop-up. You need to select any webinar platform which you have already created with your go to webinar account. So I'm selecting this go to webinar. Select the webinar. Here you can add the description here. like this. You can select the heading style, the font style, font size. You can make more changes through this available section for editing the particular text. After this, you can add timer. You can make custom setting through this. The label color, you can change button color, the text color, background color. You can change font family, weight, size, button radius through this. You can add animation style. After the updation, you can add locker at the webinar registration section. You can create a clone of this. You can delete this. So after all the setting, need to click on update. After update, we will check this element at our site. So copy your URL. Let's check this webinar section. Here you can see this is the webinar section which we have added. Let me show you how your user will fill the form. Like this and enter the email. Click on this webinar. Registration has been successful. Now go to the dashboard to check this registrar of the webinar. So you can get the webinar data at the data section. Click on data, click on webinar data. So here you can see the current data which we have added with the webinar section. So you will get these webinar registrar data here. You can export this webinar data through this option anytime. You can select the webinar data from the particular link through this option. You can search particular registers from here. So this is all about the webinar element, how you can integrate webinar and how you can create the webinar element at your site. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the URL Fame. In this video, we will check how we can add the form at your link. For that, we need to select the link where you wanted to add your form. Click on Edit. After opening the link, make sure you have added your payment setting. So go to Setting, check the appearance of the final page. Go to Payment, select the PayPal setting or Stripe account which you have added with the payment integration. If you have setting up any SMTP details, so enter the SMTP details here and click on Save. Now go to the page, click on add element, click on form. Here you will get the form. So enter the name of the form like this. You can add any thank you message through pop-up page or external link. You can add this kind of pop-up. You can add any page. So your user will be redirected to this page after submission. You can add an external link, so your user will be redirected to this external link after submission. Currently I'm going with this pop-up and entering the thank you message. You can change the button text like this. You can add the email ID where you can get the details of your users who are registered for this form. You can change the description like this. You can change the paragraph through this. You can change the font style. You can change the font size. You can make more changes to this particular text. Let's check another option is you can show label or you can hide the labels. This is autoresponder setting. You can select the autoresponder. After selecting the autoresponder, you need to select the mailing list. If you do not have autoresponder account, no worries. You can export lead data from leads page anytime. So these fields are available currently with your form. Label, placeholder, input. You can add more fields like this. You can add radio checkbox, group checkbox, numbers, email, text, text area, URL, date, and range. So I'm adding a checkbox. Enter the label here like this. So this is how you can add more fields for your users who wanted to fill this form. Let's check the custom setting for this particular form section. Go to settings. You can change all the style from this. You can change label color, buttons, button colors, the text color, background color, like this. You can change font family, weight, button radius, size. You can add animation style. After all this updation, you can add locker as well. After adding the locker, you need to create the password or add opt-in form. Currently, I'm not adding locker. After all this updation, you need to click on update. So this form is added to your link. Just copy your link and check this form at your link. So paste this link. So here your link will be open and you can check the form which we have added. So this is the form we have added. Let me show you how user will enter their details here. So enter the name, enter the email, Enter the phone number like this. Enter the description like this. We have added the checkbox, so user need to click on this checkbox and click on submit here. Submitted successfully. Now let me show you how you can check this submission at your dashboard. So go to your dashboard. So go to the data, go to forms data. Here you can see you will get these detail of the registrar here. You can preview the registration detail here. You can export the data anytime from this export form data. You can check the particular link form details here. So this is all about the form element. For further element, check our further videos. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to URLFam. In this video, we will check how we can integrate the Google Calendar. So go to integration section, click on Google Calendar. Add Google Calendar to seamlessly schedule your appointments and avoid conflict with other events. It will make you organized. So you can use this Google Calendar at your appointment section. It helps you to avoid conflict with other events. So you can connect your Google Calendar. Click on this Google Calendar. Select the account which you wanted to add. You can use another account as well. Currently I'm going with this one. You need to allow this privacy policy and terms and conditions. It will allow to see, edit, share and delete all the calendar that you can access using Google Calendar. So you need to allow this. After allowing, you will get this added. You can see your Google Calendar has been added with the calendar section. It is activated. You can see this badge here. You can synchronize your appointment with your calendar, so you need to activate this. Now your scheduled will be synchronized with this URLFam. It will help you to avoid conflict with other events. So this is how you can connect your Google Calendar. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial videos of URLFam. In this video we will check how we can add the opt-in form with your link. So go to add new link, click on opt-in. Here you can see the opt-in form option has been added to your link, so you can customize it according to your requirement. Select the required field which you want to get from your users. You can get email, name, WhatsApp. Enter the button text. Like this. You can add a thank you message through pop-up page or external link. You can add any page from here. You can add any external link which if your user will be redirect to the external link for the thank you message. Currently I'm going with this pop-up message. this. You can add labels at the subscriber area. You can add autoresponder settings. You can select any autoresponder. After selecting the autoresponder, you need to select the mailing list. If you do not have autoresponder account, no worries, you can export lead data from leads page anytime. You can add any description here. Like this. You can make the status active or inactive. You can add timer here. You can make custom setting through this option. You can change the label color through this. You can change the button color like this. You can change button text, the background color. You can change the font family, font weight, font size, button radius. You can add animation style. You need to make active to select the animation. After all the updates, need to click on this update option. The opt-in form is updated successfully with your link. Let's check the updation at your site. Need to copy the site. Go to your link and let's check the updation. So this is the opt-in form which we have added. It will look like this. Let's fill the form as a user. So we will get the data. Enter the name, enter the email, the WhatsApp number. Click on subscribe here. Subscription has been submitted successfully. Let's check with our dashboard the detail of subscriber. Go to the dashboard, go to data, go to the leads data. Here you can see you will get the subscriber details here which we have submitted recently. You can check here. You can export the lead data anytime as per your convenience or your requirement. So this is how you can add opt-in form at your link. For further elements, check our further videos. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to URLFam. In this video, we will check how we can add locker with the elements added in your link. So go to my link, select the link, select the element where you wanted to add your locker. So let me show you from this heading. Here you can see the heading option is available here, and go to custom setting, select this locker option. You need to activate the locker. Here is three type of unlocks. You can unlock through the password, so you need to set up the password here. You can unlock three through opt-in form. So you can add any opt-in form, so your user will be filled the opt-in form and they will unlock for this particular section. Select the required field, autoresponder, select the mailing list, add the description, like this, click on save. Or you can unlock with the password, click on save. So currently I'm going with this password pattern to unlock this locker. Click on update. It is updated successfully. Now let's check this section at our link. You can see here is a locker available. The badge of locker is appears at this section. Go to your link. So this is your link, and you can see the locker has been appears here. So to unlock, subscribe here. We have typed this description, and to unlock this, click now. We have set it the password to unlock this, so I'm entering the password and click on submit. It will open in 3 seconds. Here you can see this section is unlocked successfully. So this is how you can add locker at any element of your link. Let me show you how you can add the unlock option as a opt-in form. So I'm going with this QR code element. Select the locker option. Need to activate these locker. Open the select the opt-in form option. You can select the required field. So I'm going with this name only. You can select the autoresponder settings. So going with this MailChimp. Select the mailing list. Make sure you have added the autoresponder at your integration section before adding this opt-in form. Here you need to enter the description. Like this. You can preview it through this name, email, WhatsApp. So open this WhatsApp option also. Click on save. Now need to click on update. So you can see the locker option is appears here. Now go to your site to check this locker and how user will unlock this. So go to your site. Here you can see to open this file, fill the details here. This description we have added. We need to click on this unlock now option. Here you can see opt-in form has been open here. We need to enter the details. The WhatsApp number. Click on submit. unlocked successfully. Here you can see this QR code now visible here after unlock this. So this subscription form you will get at the data section of your dashboard, and now your user will be able to scan this QR code. Let me show you how you can add the third unlock type. Select any element, go to custom setting, click on locker, activate the locker, click on this 18 plus restriction option. When you select this, only 18 plus individuals are allowed to access these element. Enter the description here. Like this. Click on save. After saving this, you need to click on update. You can preview. It will ask for the date of birth to verify this that you are 18 plus. Let's check it at our site. So go to your site. So this is your site, and we have added the locker here. So we have added the description that click here to unlock if you are 18 plus. So click on this unlock now option, enter the date of birth, select the date, verify. It is under 18, so it will show that not allowed. Now enter the date of birth of 18 plus, click on verify. By clicking continue, you confirm that you are 18 years or older. Click on continue. So it is verified successfully now. The coupon code has been opened. We have added the locker at this coupon card. So this is how you can add this locker to your site. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's check how we can add locker with multiple elements. For that, you need to create a block and add multiple elements. Go to the block section. Here you can see I have added multiple elements in this. So I can add one locker with all these added element in the block section. Go to custom setting, click on locker, activate the locker option, select the unlock type from the three available unlock types: password, opt-in form, and 18 plus restriction. So currently I'm going with this password option. Enter the password here. So your user will be enter this password and will unlock this section. Enter the description here. Like this. Click on save. After saving this, you can make more custom setting for this particular content description. You can change the paragraph, you can change the font size, font style. You can make more custom setting for the particular description here. After this, you can preview this unlock type. it will looking like this at your site. So after all setting, click on update. It is updating successfully. Now go to your site to check this particular section. So this is the site where we have added the locker at the block section. This is the description we have added with this block section to log this element. To unlock this, enter the password. Click on unlock, enter the password which we have set it. Click on submit. So it will open in 3 seconds. Here you can see this section is open. We have added the image, heading, paragraph, messenger and countdown at the particular block section. So now the complete section has been opened with the password. So this is how you can add locker option at any element with your site. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial videos of URLFam. In this video, we will check how we can create the link through URLFam. So you need to click on this create link option, which you will get on the dashboard screen. Click on create link. It will redirect you to the template section. Here you can create your link from scratch, as well as you can use the template to create your link. You can preview the template through this, or you can select the template to create your link as per your required niche. We provide 81 templates based on different niches, so you can select any template to create your own link. Let me show you how you can create the link from scratch. You need to enter the name, click on continue. Here you can see your URL will be generated here. You can publish it. URL is published. You need to add minimum one element in your URL. So by default it is added with the profile element. You can make the status change through this icon. You can make it active or inactive. You can add timer at this element. You can add custom settings at these profile element. You can create a clone through this. You can delete this element through this. Before all the setting, go to this setting option. Here you will get the appearance setting option. So you can make changes in primary color like this, and the secondary color in the link. You can change the background style through this. You can change the background color. You can add gradient like this. You can change the color positions. You can make changes according to your requirement. You can add new colors as well. And you can delete this color section like this. After this appearance setting, go to this payment section. You need to add this payment method. If you have added any element related to payment like donation, product selling, any subscription form, opt-in forms, etc. So you need to add this payment section. Select any payment method and the payment account where you wanted to get the payment from your users. You can add PayPal or Stripe at this section. This is the SMTP section. You need to enter all these details of your SMTP to send the emails to your users. If you have not entered any SMTP detail, no worries. The URLFam will be send the emails to your users from the URLFam server. Let me show you this pages option. You can add multiple pages on your URL. By default, you will get the home page. You can add another page through this plus icon. So click on this plus icon at the page title. You can enter header script, like this. You can add footer script. You can add any description here. Like this. Click on create. So about us page has been created successfully here. You can make page setting through this option. If you didn't want to add this, you can delete this page through this. Let me show you how you can customize the elements. This is the by default element. You can change the name. Like this. You can upload profile image from your local storage. You can crop and upload. You can see image has been changed. You can add any tagline. Like this. You can change the paragraph style, the font style. You can also change font size. You can make multiple changes in this text content through this editor option. Let me show you another custom setting through this settings option. You can change the profile style, change the border color, name style, font family, font weight, font size. You can add animation style as well. You need to make active this animation style, and you can select any animation style here. I'm selecting this one. We provide multiple animation styles, so you can choose as per your choice. Like this. After this updation, you need to click on update. One more option we provide at all element, you can add the locker at your element. Through this option, you need to click on this activate locker option. To unlock this, you need to create the password or opt-in form or the restriction. So your user will be unlock this to use this particular section. Currently, I'm inactive this locker active option. After this updation, click on update. Like this, you can add multiple elements. So to add more element, click on this add new element. I'm adding the heading. You can change the text content of this heading. Like this. You can make the status change through this. You can add timer. You can make custom setting. Change the primary color, background color, font family, font weight, font size, animation style, like this. After adding this, click on update. So like this, you can add more elements according to your requirement. We provide 21 elements here, so you can choose any element according to your requirement and add with your URL. We provide a add block option if you wanted to add any section in the block, so you can add here. Enter the title, add, and now you can add any element here. Like I'm adding the image section. You can upload the image. You can add any URL here to redirect your users. After this, click on upload. You can add more element through this plus icon, like paragraph. So you will get this paragraph element at the same section of your created block. You can add more elements through this, like social media. You will get this section at the block section. Click on update. After all the element added and update this link, you can check this at your URL. So click on copy, go to your URL. Here you can see this is the URL which we have created. You can see the profile we have added, heading we have added, the image at the block area we have added, the paragraph and the social icons. So this is how you can create your URL. Now go to the dashboard. At the dashboard, you will get your link at the My Link section. Here you can see this is the link which we have created. So you can check the visitors here, the clicks here. You can make the status active or inactive through this. You can edit the link through this edit icon, and you can delete the link through this delete icon. So this is how you can create the link through URLFam. For further details, check our further videos. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial videos of URLFam. In this video, we will check how we can add the donation element with our link. Before we are adding this element, make sure you have integrated your payment method at the payment method integration section. Now go to my link, select the particular link where you wanted to add the donation section. So I'm going with this one. Click on edit. Before adding the element, go to setting, select the payment method. To receive the payment from the donors, you can change the appearance of this section. You can change background style, you can change background image as well. Let's go to the page where you wanted to add the particular element. So I'm going to add this donation at the home page. Click on add new element, click on donate. So this is the donate element added with your link. You can see here, you can make the status active or inactive through this. You can add any timer, you can add custom settings, you can make a clone of this, you can delete this section. Please complete your payment detail to proceed with donation. If you have not added, this is the button text, so you can edit this like this. You can add any thank you message. So you can add the minimum amount to take the donation. You can add any description here. You can add the description like this. You can change the paragraph size. You can change the font style. You can change the font size like this. You can make more changes in the particular text through these available settings. Let's make the custom setting. You can make the style setting through this. You can add the locker through this option. So go to style setting, select the background. You can change the background color. Need to activate this first to change the background like this. You can change the text color. You can change the background color of text. You can change the border color, the font family, weight, font size, radius, animation. Active the animation, select the animation style. like this. After this, click on update. So this element section has been added with your link. To check this, go to your site, just copy the link and open link here. You will get the donate button which we have added. So this is the button which we have added. Let me show you how your donor will use this button to donate. Click on donate here, enter the name, enter the email, the amount, the message. You can choose the payment mode, PayPal or Stripe. It is showing both of this because we have added both the method at the payment section. So user will be able to pay from one of them. I'm going with this one currently. To Stripe, continue, pay with card. So card will be open. Need to enter the card number, the date and the CVV. Click on pay. Payment has been done successfully and donation has been done. That's so this thank you messages appear here with the pop-up. Let me show you how you can get this donation data at your dashboard. So go to dashboard screen. So go to the data, click on this donation data to get the detail of donor. Here you can see this is the donor with which we have created as a user. So you will get the donors data here. You can export the donation data through this option. You can get the details of the particular link from here. So this is how you can add donation option with your link. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to URLFam. In this video we will check how we can add another element with the link. So go to my link, select the link where you wanted to add the element. So this is add element option. Click on this add element. You can add profile, heading, paragraph, link, image, video, QR code, social media, opt-in form, donate section, button, countdown. You can add products, Google Maps, cards, messenger, form, file upload, appointment, webinar registration, and custom code. So you can add this element according to your requirement. Let me show you how you can add paragraph. Here you can see the element is added here. You can make it active or inactive through this. Change the paragraph setting, change the font size. You can make more custom setting through this. You can add a timer. You can make custom settings. You can add background colors. You can add animation. You can add locker as well. You can create a clone through this. You can delete this paragraph section. So after all this update, click on this update. Let's check this paragraph section at our site. So this is the site where we have added the paragraph, and this is the paragraph which we have added. Let's check another option. Let's add another element. Add new element. Link. Here you can see link option is appears here. You can add the title. You can add any link, so your user will redirect to this link after clicking this title. I am entering the link here. So after clicking this particular title, your user will be redirected to this link, or you can add any page as well which you have created with the link. You can add different pages. Currently I'm going with the link. You can make the status active and active. You can add timer. You can make custom settings. You can choose the style, text color, border color, background color, font family, font weight, font size. You can add animation. Click on update. Let's check your site. So this is the site where we have added these elements. Just reload it. You can see the link we have added. Click on this to redirect. So your user will redirect to this link which you have added to the link section. Let's go to dashboard. Let's add another element. Another element is image. You can upload any image through this. I am uploading this one. Click on upload. You can redirect your user to any custom link if they click on this image. So I'm adding the link as well and click on upload. You can change the status through this. You can add timer. You can make custom setting through this. You can change the background. You can add any animation. You can create a clone and you can delete this. You can add locker as well. After this setting, click on update. Let's check the image at the site. Just reload it. So here you can see the images appear which we have added. Go back to the dashboard to add another elements. Add new element. Go to video. You can add any video here. Enter the heading. Like this, you can add the heading for the particular video. You can add from YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, TikTok. You need to enter the URL here. I'm entering the URL here. Click on add video. If you want to add more videos here, you can add different video from different platforms. Currently, I'm not going to add another video. After adding this, click on update. You can make custom settings through this option. The color setting, font family, background color, radius. You can add animation like this. You can add locker as well. After all the setting, click on update. Let's check the site. So this is the site where we have added the video. Just reload it. Here you can see this section we have added the video. So this is how you can add the video with your URLFam link. Let's add another elements. Add new element. The button option. You can add any button text here. You can change the text. You can add any URL. So your user will be redirect to the different URL by clicking this button. You can change the status, you can add timer, you can make custom settings, the text color, background color, font family, font weight, size. You can add animations like this. After this setting, click on update. Let's check your site for this button option. So this is the site and the button we have added. Go to the dashboard. Let's add another element. You can add countdown. So you can see the countdown screen is appears here. You can change the status. You can add timer. You can make custom settings. You can create clone and you can delete. Add the start time for the countdown and the end time for this countdown. After end time, it will disappear automatically. You can make custom settings. You can select the style, the background color or the transparent. You can select the text color, font family, animation style like this. After this updation, click on update. You can add locker as well. Let's check your site. So this is the site. Here we have added the countdown. This is the countdown we have added and it's running. Go to dashboard. Let's add another element. Add element. Go to Google Map. You can add any Google Map here. Just enter the heading. Enter the embed map here. Go to Google Map and enter the embedded map here. Copy it from the Google Maps and click on update. You can make custom setting as well. You can change the border color, border radius, heading color, background color, font style, weight, size, animation style you can add. After adding the setting, just click update. Let's check the map at your site. Here you can see the map we have added. It appears at your site. Let's add another element. Go to add elements. Select the card. Here you can add any card. So you can change the status through this. You can add timer, custom setting, clone and delete option. You can add the text at the card. Need to add the card URL. You can select the card preview like this. So I'm going with this one. You can change the price tag from here. You can make custom settings like color, the background color, font family, weight, size, animation, like this. After all this, you can add locker. Need to click on update. Let's check your site. So this is your site and this is the card we have created and added here. Your user can use this card as a coupon code or cards. Go to dashboard. Let's add another elements, the file upload. So this is the file upload section. You can upload any file here. So your user will be able to download the file from here. Let me show you how you can upload a file. file uploaded successfully. You can change the text button like this. You can upload a file through a file option, or you can also add any URL to download the file. You can add description here like this. You can change the paragraph size, font style, font size. You can make more setting for the particular text. You can add custom settings, the text color, background color, font family, font weight, size, button radius. You can add animations like this. After the updation, click on update. You can check this option at your site. So go to your so this is the site where we have added this download option. So it is the download option available here. Your user will be able to download the file from here. Let's go to dashboard. Let's add another element. Click on add new. Go to custom code. So here you can add any custom code at your site. You can make the status active or inactive. You can add timer. You can make custom settings. You can add animations. You can create a clone and you can delete it. You can add locker as well. After adding this custom code, click on update and go to your site. So this is the site where we have added the custom code. Just to refresh your site. You can see this video we have pasted at the embed code. So your user will be able to play it here through the code. Go to the dashboard. So this is how you can add the elements. We have created the separate videos for the remaining elements. Check those videos. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial videos of URLFam. In this video we will check, let's start with product. Click on this product. You need to add new product, so click on add new, enter the name, click on add. Here you need to enter all the details about your product price. You need to upload the product file, or if you have any file URL, so you can enter the URL as well. You can add the product video as well if you have. You can add any product image, so you can upload from your local storage. Going with this one. You can add any description. Like this. After filled all the detail, you need to click on next. Product file is required. After entering all the detail, it will create the project. So need to upload the file. I'm adding the file. File uploaded successfully. Now need to click on next. It will open a input field. At the input field, user will be able to add the details. You can add new field like phone number, data, country, and custom details. You can add the header description. Like this. You can change the color style. You can add the button color like this. Click on next. This is the thank you page you can create. You can enter any thank you message. Like this. You can edit this thank you message like this. After this, you can select the thank you page layout. Going with this one. Click on next. This is the email receipt your user will get after the purchase. So you can edit this script as well. Click on publish. So this product is added successfully with your link. So let me show you how you can add the product at your link. Go to my links. Select the link where you wanted to add the product. Click on edit. Go to add new element. Click on product. You will get this product element option here. You can make the status active and inactive. You can add timer. You can make custom settings. You can create clone and you can delete this. So this is the product section. Select the product. We have created this one. You can change the button text like this. Make sure you have already added your payment method at the link setting. You can select the link setting. Go to payment. Select the payment method. Now go back. Go to the product section which we have added. Go to custom setting. You can select the style. This is the product we have selected, so it is appear here. You can change the heading color, the font size you can change, the font weight, font family, text color, the button text color you can change. You can change the radius. You can add the background style. You can change the background color. You can add any animation like this. After adding this product, you need to click on update. it is updated successfully. Now copy the URL and go to your URL to check the product. So this is the link where you have added your product. So this is your product which you have added. Let's try to buy it as a user. Click on buy now. It will redirect you to this screen. Enter the name, enter the email, you can select the payment mode from the PayPal or Stripe, because we have added these two payment method at the time of product creation. So user can buy it through PayPal or Stripe both. So I'm going with this Stripe option. Click on continue. Here you need to enter your email, enter the card number, the date, now enter the date, your CVV, cardholder name, select the country, click on pay. Payment is processing. Here you can see product has been purchased. So your user will be able to download the product file from here. Let me show you how you can get the detail of your buyer at your dashboard. So go to dashboard. You can get the data of your buyer from this purchase data. So go to purchase data. Here you can see the detail of the buyer which we have entered with the buyer's area. You can check the invoice from here and you can download the invoice. You can export the purchase data through this, or you can get the detail from the particular link from here. So this is all about how you can purchase the product and export the purchase data. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to URLFam. In this video we will check how we can add the appointments. So go to the features option, select the appointments. Before adding the appointment element, we need to create appointment. Enter the appointment title. Business name, add the phone number, add the description here, add the address, click on next. It will redirect to step 2. You need to set up the appointment according to your availability within the business hour 24-hour format. You need to select the days, start date, finish by, start time, finish time, break time, and finish break time. So I'm selecting this one, selecting the time, and the finish time. I'm selecting the break time, start from, to. So this is the break time, and this is the full time where the appointment will be open. Only for this particular time it will close. Like this, you can select more days accordingly. You can select the time slot in minutes. Click on next. After this, you need to select the business holidays. So I'm selecting this one. Click on next. Form fields. You can select the form fields which you want to get from your user who booked for this appointment. Currently, I'm going with name and email. You can add more fields like radio checkbox, group checkbox, numbers, emails, text, text area, URL, date. You can add more fields as well. Click on next. Payment type you have to add here. If you are selecting the paid options, you need to enter the price. If you are going with free, so you can add as a free. You can add option auto approve for the auto approval of booking. If you not approved it, you need to approve the booking at the data section. Currently I am going with auto approve. Click on next. Step 3 is we need to add the headline after booking and a thank you message. Click on publish. So this particular booking has been published at your site. You can make this booking active or inactive. You can edit the booking and you can delete the booking. You can directly create the appointment through this. Let's add appointment element with your link. So go to my link, select the link in which you wanted to add the appointment. So I'm going with this one. Click on add new element, select the appointment option. Here you can see this element is appears here, so you can make the custom settings from here. Before this setting, you need to be sure that you have added the payment setting at this setting area. So go to setting. You can change this appearance of this appointment dashboard. You can change the primary color, secondary color, background style. You can add background image as well. Go to payment, select the edit payment method. So I'm going with this PayPal and selecting this one. You can also add Stripe if you have added Stripe account. So I'm adding both of this payment method with the setting. Now go back to the link, click on add new element, appointment. Now you can make custom settings. For paid appointment, please update the payment method in the link setting to proceed. Select the appointment from the created appointments. I'm going with this one. You can change the button text as well. Like this. You can change this description. Like this. You can change the heading size. You can change the heading style. You can change the font size. You can make more customization available here for this particular text. You can make the status active and active. You can add timer. You can make custom settings. You can change text color. You can change background color. You can change the radius. You can add animation. For adding the animation, you have to activate it. Select the animation, the animation style. You can add locker as well. For that, you need to create the password or opt in for. After that, click on save. So after all this updation, you need to click on update. So the appointment has been updated. Let's go to the site, copy the site, and go to site to check this appointment. So this is our site. Let's check the appointment option which we have added here. So click on this book appointment here option. Enter the details. The email. We need to verify the email with OTP. OTP will be shared to your user's email which they have entered. User need to enter the OTP here. So this is the OTP which the user received. Click on submit. So email has been verified. Click on continue. So we need to select the date. I'm selecting this one. It is showing me the time slot because we have added the time slot. So I'm selecting this one and click on book appointment. Your appointment is booked successfully. You can back to your site. So like this appointment has been booked successfully. Now let's go to our dashboard to check the appointment. Let's check the booked appointment at the data area. We will get this data at this booking data option. Click on this. Here you can see this is the data we have entered at the time of booking. It is auto approved because we have selected the auto approved option at the appointment creation time. You can view the details of the appointee here. You can cancel the appointment through this as well. You can export the booking data from here anytime. You can search the particular appointment through this. You will get all the booking data for all links. You can select particular link data through this. So this is all about how you can add the appointment and the appointment element at your link. For further elements, check our further videos. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial videos of URLFam. In this video, we will check how we can integrate the autoresponders with the URLFam account. So go to integration section, select this autoresponders option. You can add your autoresponders for effortlessly nurture your leads by connecting an autoresponder for automated and timely communications with your users and visitors. So you can connect any autoresponder from these available autoresponders. We will add more autoresponders in our future updates. Currently, you can add from these available autoresponders. Let me show you how you can connect these autoresponder. Just select any autoresponder. I'm going with this get response. Click this, enter the API key, click on add to add this autoresponder. It is added successfully. You can check it's showing active tag here to show that this autoresponder has been connected with your link or your URLFam tool. Like this, you can add more autoresponders. You can use this autoresponders at your form data and your subscription data. If you have add any opt-in form, so you can use this autoresponders at your site. So this is how you can add autoresponders. For further options, check our further videos. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to the tutorial videos of URLFam. In this video, we will check how we can add the blog section with your link. So go to my link, select the link. Here you can see this is the blog option. To add blog, click on this add blog option. Enter the name of this blog. Like this, click on add. So here you can see these blog section is added here. You can see it is showing differently. You can make the custom setting of the block. You can select the background color style of the block. So all the element in the block section will appear in this section with this background color. You can make more custom settings. You can add locker as well with this block section. Let's start the element in this block section. You need to click on this plus icon to add the element at the block section. I'm adding the image section. So here you can see the particular image will be appear at this section. Need to upload the image. I'm going with this one. Click on upload. Image is uploading. Image upload successfully. You can make custom setting. You can add background color. You can add animations like this. Let me show you how you can add another element. Click on this plus icon. You can add heading. So you can change the text like this. You can add more element. You can make custom setting of each element which you have added at this block area. You can add paragraph. You can make custom settings. You can add animations, background color, the font size, font style. So this is how you can add a block section at your URLs. To check this block section, just copy the URL and go to your site. After adding this block section, you need to click on update to show all the updates at your site. Now go to your site. So this is your site, just reload it. Here you can see the block section which we have created. It will appear here. So this is how you can add a block section with your site. Thank you.
In this video, we are going to check the second feature from the feature list, which is invoice. So from the invoice menu, you can simply create an invoice link. By the help of this, you can take the charges from any users or the user who have purchased the product from you. You can simply send this invoice to them and you can take the charges from them. So simply click on this invoice button, and from the left side of the menu, if on the corner, you can see the create invoice button. Simply click on this and it will redirect to the page where you just need to fill some details to create a invoice. So here it will ask you for to add a invoice logo. So simply click on this. You can generate a image, or you can upload your own logo from here. Simply select any logo if you want. And the second option is receiver details, who is going to receive payment. So this is my name, which is already entered here. Your business name, your email address already filled here, your address. And your phone number, and now the payer details, who is going to pay you, their name, their business name, their email, their addresses, phone number, item name, and the item description. And the amount which you want to take, and what is this invoice for. So simply write booking and add a message if you want to. This is the optional thing. And the changes and the field you have filled, it will be visible here. And if you all the details will be correct, you can simply click on this next button. After that, it will ask you for when do you want to be paid by. Today is 31st October 2025, and if you want in a 30 days, in a 45 days, in a 60 days, in a 90 days, you can simply select the date here. And now enable payment method, choose which payment method you want to enable for this invoice. You can select the PayPal, you can select the Stripe payment. So simply select the Stripe payment, which is I have already integrated from my account section. So I've selected the Stripe payment gateway, and now your support email, and simply click on this publish. After checking all the details, you can simply check here, your details will fill here. You can check your name, bill to, the product amount, description, items, total amount, message. So all things will be visible here. And after checking this, and if the all details will be corrected, you can simply click on this publish button, and your invoice is created successfully. Now here it will ask you for your share via email. You can download as a PDF, you can copy as an invoice. So you can simply copy this link, copy to the clipboard. If you want to download as a PDF, you can simply download this. And if you want to share this via email, so you can simply click on this share via email. Are you sure you want to share with invoice via email? So you can simply click on this share option, and email sent successfully to your user. The email which you have entered, this email will be sent to them. So now as you can check, your invoice will be created here. The status will be pending because user have not paid the amount yet. So this is the details which visible here, you can check it. And if you want to see your invoice, you can simply click on this eyes option, and the invoice will be visible here. You can download from here too. And now if you want to edit again, and you can simply edit from here too. So this is the short video for your invoice section. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Push notification. So in this, you can simply send a notification to the user which are using your my links. So your URL link. So simply click on this push notification option. It will open the page, and you can see the send notification button on the top left of the corner. And right now we have not created any push notification, so it will give you the message. So simply click on this button, it will open the pop-up like push notification message, and select, and you need to fill some details. So let's fill them. So first one is select link. So you just need to select the link, in which link you do want to send your notification message. And now here the title, and the message you want to give to your user on the notification section. And here and the option is called icon image. So you can also upload the icon image and the banner image too. And now this is push notification link. So simply you can enter any custom link, or you want to create any custom link, simply type any URL here. And now the another option is schedule push notification. So in this, you can simply add a date, time and select your time zone, so you can schedule this notification. And after schedule it, you can simply click on submit button. If you don't want to use this option, simply click on this submit after filling all these details, and your push notification will be created successfully. Right now it is showing pending, because right now we don't have any user which the message is delivered, the notification is delivered. So right now it is showing the pending option. So now you can see the title, message, create, schedule, all the details will be visible here. You can simply deactivate or activate the status of this, and you can say check the campaign. And now this is the edit and the delete button, so you can simply edit this push notification again, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it. So this is the short video of push notification, how you can send a notification to the user who are using your links. So hope you like the video. Thank you.